Alright guys, I'm going to update you real quick. It's been quite a while since we uploaded, but that doesn't mean we stopped our RV lifestyle, RV living plans. We've been at it for 6 months now, to the day, full-time RVing. We've done a lot since then. We have it all on camera. Fast forward, we put our house up for sale. It sold within 2 weeks. We moved into the trailer full-time, our renovated trailer. We had a newborn, so we have 3 kids now. Since then, we've moved out of the trailer and into a brand new to us 5th wheel that we've been remodeling from the bottom up.
Okay, so like Ty said, it's been forever since we have filmed anything. We finished the trailer and we've been on quite a few adventures, but now we're switching things up a bit. So like he's gonna show you right now. We're headed right now to go grab our next home on wheels. Make sure he knows what he's doing. So stick around and check that out.
And it's turning out great, and that's where we are today. We are finishing up our 2nd renovation. Here we are. So, in the last 6 months, we've taken a few trips, mostly to see family, and a couple out for fun, desert trips and high desert trips, mostly in California, some in Arizona. But what we've mainly been doing is settling into the lifestyle and also into 2 trailers. We've been enjoying it so much, we can't even tell that 6 months went by. And I think it's easy to say when the time flies, it means you're having fun. We haven't missed anything about being in a big house. We have everything we need, everyone we love, and we are really enjoying the lifestyle. So I wanted to come on here and catch you up because we never really planned to stop our YouTube. It's just that so many things started happening. When we started the renovation, the first one, we got really carried away, involved in it. We did film it, but we just got so focused on getting it done that we forgot our upload schedule. With that said, here's our 5th wheel. And today, I'm continuing the floor. So this 5th wheel is a 2012 Jayco Superlight Eagle. And we bought it, it was in awesome condition. It was a 1 owner, they bought it brand new. The kids grew up, it was too big for them. We gladly took it over and also really made it over. It was all brown, but again, we whitened it out and opened it up and it's turning out really good. We've learned from our last renovation of what we would like to do and what we would not like to do, how we changed it, and it's turning out good, the 2nd one. I'm really enjoying the process, and I look forward to maybe doing this again, more and more. With this one, whether we stay in this one or not, but I think this one is awesome. The floor plan is cool, back bedroom, front bunks, and it's turning out really good. So welcome to Roam with the Rams. Follow us on Instagram, Roam with the Rams. We have been consistently posting content on there throughout this whole process. So that's a good place to follow us for day-to-day content. With that said, thanks for coming. Please subscribe, stay tuned, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video and our other videos and the ones to come. Hit the bell button if you are interested in following us in our full-time RV living lifestyle, also / RV renovations. Thank you guys, and we will see you in all of our future videos.